to stand when the ground gives out. Getting used to quiet when the noise dies down. I can see the damage when I look around, but I'm still here breathing, so I'm here for now. If I could step outside my head and tell myself what I know now. Find something you believe in. Find someone who will leave when everything you build starts breaking down. Find a place you can return to. Find a truth you can hold on to when the lights go out and you're lost somehow. It's love, 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 love. When everything's falling in and out. It's love, 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 love that pulls you back somehow. I gave all my time to the wrong mistakes. Tried to outrun fear, but it always stayed. Every open road still feels the same, but I'm learning now it's okay to change. If I could rewind the nights, I'd tell myself I'll be alright. Find something you believe in. Find someone who will leave when everything you build starts breaking down. Find a place you can return to. Find a truth you can hold on to when the lights go out and you're lost somehow. It's love, 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 love. When everything's falling in and out. It's love, 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 love that pulls you back somehow. Love, love, when you're barely holding on. Love, love, when the feeling's gone.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it hurts as I bleed for you, cry for you. Oh, let me bleed as I bleed for you, cry for you. Oh, let me bleed. Let me bleed. Let me. All of the pain seems to follow. cold to the touch. Am I insane not to let go? Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it hurts as I bleed for you, cry for you. Let me bleed as I bleed for you, cry for you. Let me bleed. Let me.
What is this? Second goes the camera here. Give me a second, guys. Yo, welcome guys. What's up Flo, what's up Chorky? Yo, I'm very late to the stream, very late to the charts. I've been at work, so excuse me guys. I know I'm late, but I'm trying to push my hardest. Go and open RTH gap here. Give me a second guys, I'll be with you in a minute. This one here. Delete this. Morse, 24s. Okay, nice. Get this. Let's put this up here. Just setting up my charts here. Price is pushing lower, obviously. Still have the weekly open high, and we still have weekly targets below us here. I'm looking at this engineered sell side right here, at this weekly low as engineered sell side, just because we're falling short of this low here. We have an SMT on this low, but I'm not putting a lot of emphasis on the SMT until we see a significant change in the order flow, such as this daily high probability inversion or this order block right here. This will be very nice for a change in state of delivery to start targeting higher, but right now you can see we're respecting previous dealing ranges. We had this dealing range here from this high to this low. We respected this dealing range and we offered shorts. So I'm still looking for shorts overall in the market on the hard time frame. I agree with Pierce's idea here. Do we have a 4-hour SMT here? Remember guys, this portion of this NWOG only has buy side delivery, so I still expect the NWOG to be filled till this purple line here. We broke this down together yesterday when we took these shorts. I told you that this portion of this NWOG only had buy side delivery. It's missing sell side delivery, so the market will come back all the way to this purple line here in order to fill the NWOG, okay, to balance the price range. That's about it. And yeah, right now we don't have any SMTs on session lows. We have relative equal lows on ES here. You gotta watch out if you want to long. You can't long with relative equal lows. There's also another signature that we are coming to visit lower again once more, to visit this level here and fill this NWOG. Let's type NWOG fill here. NWOG fill, okay? Or balance, let's say balance here, to be more accurate. We need to come back to this level here before taking any long setups. We have relative equal highs here, just short of CE of this RTH. Let me see something. Yeah, that's very nice. They're short of the current day RTH gap CE. Let's put this indicator in. We got NWOG here, high short of NWOG as well. Relative equal highs up here. We go a low resistance liquidity run. Very bad. Not very bad for a classic sell day. But let's see if we can get a bullish reaction from here. Probably get a bullish trade for a small retracement up, because we have relative equal highs here that are short of NWOG CE. Keeping an eye on them, and we have relative equal highs all the way up here. So we could balance this NWOG and then refer back higher from this NWOG CE maybe. This will be ideal. Or we could just stall around here. Either ways, we can't long until ES lows are taken. What's good, Sharky? What's good, Flow? Wait, my camera is bugged. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with it today. It's so messy. Okay. What's good, brothers? You took a 650 short. Oh, you panked there, bro. Nice. Amazing trade. How did you enter this short, bro? What was the time of your entry, bro? Give me a second, I'll be back. Oh, I need to fix this camera. 1 second, guys, I'll fix this camera. 1 second, guys. I'll fix this camera quickly, okay? To fix.
How long do I gotta keep you?
Should be working now. Don't know who played in my cable. Same for my browser, maybe. Let's see. Good morning, guys. I'm sorry today, I don't know what's wrong. Micro PS3, Sharky, SMTYM PPR. Let's see them. What was the time of the entry, bro? Because there's maybe right. That was your draw. Good morning. What's up, Chumami? How you doing, brother? Okay. Still think that they're going for this low here, but I'm not engaging here. We have relative equal highs on the highs here. and ES has relative equal lows as well. So when you can frame out an idea for both sides, it's very nice to wait. Got relative equal highs here, below RTH gap CE. You also got relative equal lows on ES, and we are above the NWOG range we wanted as well to be filled. You got these lows. I'm basically avoiding this macro, guys, that's why I've just been playing around. But I'm just avoiding this macro here. I can frame an idea for both sides, so I'll avoid it. Set up on Asia opening. Which macro do you trade on Asia opening? To be honest, I don't know, bro. Which one is Asia opening? Is it? Let me put my session here on 17 somewhere. 1850. This macro here. Yeah, if you took this relative equal highs. Yeah, if you took this relative equal highs, you mean, and drop, or 750. Okay, goes. Harbor built in 1950. Man, I need to start trading Asia as well. Asia is printing a lot of pips. Look at this range. Relative equal lows. Asia sells. Whoa, it's clean here. Yeah, Asia was so clean, guys. But well done on catching the setup, Sharky. Great short on 650. To be honest, I didn't see it coming. How was it work? That was very nice. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see. Under setup. So much downside. Yeah, bro, so much drawn liquidity lower, and you had this NWOG high as well. Oh my god, that was a very clean trade in Asia. Super clean, bro. Guys, this macro, I think probably they will consolidate or hold price in a range, because basically you can frame an idea for both sides here. That's when you can deem a low probability session or a macro. And look at ES here, you got relative equal lows, and NQ, you got relative equal highs that are short of what? RTH gap CE. So you also got a 5-minute inversion here, so I'm waiting here, guys. No trades this macro. Most likely no trades for me this macro. Okay? Guys, I'll be back in a second. I just want to make my coffee quick. I'll let it I'll let it give it on the stove, and I'll come back for this macro, but just give me a second, okay, guys? I'll be back in like 1 minute, okay? I'll be on my phone as well on the chat. Let me type this here.
point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday. I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up. Climbing and climbing, I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my darling. Where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stands still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday. If you wanted adventure, then find a home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. If you wanted adventure, then find a home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go.
So we're avoiding this short here as well. I know there's an SMT on these highs, but I want you to look on the 5 minute here and the 3 minute, etc. Look at this BC here. It's very visible on the 5 minute. We have inversed this BC and we're respecting it. So I wouldn't be taking shorts here. I'll just wait. I'm avoiding shorts and I'm avoiding longs at this point, just because ES still has relative equal lows. Today I was very late to the charts. Okay, that's very hot. I always forget that it's very hot. Let's see this macro. We're just waiting here patiently. There's no need to rush in a trade. Order flow is not agreeing with shorts. I know the hard time frame bias is short, and there's an SMT, and this is an inversion. There's a clear draw here on ES. But rushing into shorts here isn't what I want. I want to be executing my system regardless of the outcome. So I don't really care about the outcome here. Just waiting for my system. That's all I'm waiting for. You are an Asia trader, Asia session trader now. NYAM, I mean, yeah, AM has just been trash. London has been so clean. This is 650 short. Sharky took. Yeah, lunch is very clean. Lunch macros are very clean. London has also been providing. It's blue. So, I think this short here is gonna play out, but I'm waiting. Okay. Where would the 1-1 be? Yeah, Asia has been killer, man. Yeah, lately I think the volume is shifting. Like when I used to trade ranges, we used to monitor when the volume is shifting, and I think the volume is actually shifting from NY to Asia, Asia and London right now. But Asia, like, look, every day Asia has been, aside from that day, but look at Asia, bro, delivering. You know, it's just delivering in the direction. So, as well, London, they've been very clean, giving clean moves. That day was massive. I think this short is playing out here. Oh, it's all good. Yeah, it's when Trump plays. It's when Trump goes to sleep. That's why Asia wins, bro. Yeah, facts, bro. That's when the market moves. Maybe that's why. You know, there's something I learned from ICT that has been very crucial in my success in trading, which is not taking any trades based on impulse. So I don't just take a trade just because I feel like I missed it or feel like I'm missing it or anything. I don't care of missing this trade. Even if it was a good trade, I will journal it, I will take the data. I will even journal why I missed it if it was a good trade, but I will never rush into a trade. You will never see me rushing into a trade. Even if I'm late to the charts, I'll just miss the macro. I don't like, why should you be worried? You know, there's plenty of macros in a day. Yes, there's like 4 to 5 setups only per day, but you rushing into a macro, most likely you're forgetting one aspect of your system because you're rushing in, and that will cause you to get unnecessary losses. That will cause you to get into drawdowns that's unnecessary. So it's really important, guys. Never take a trade out of impulse. Always, like, take the trades that you planned for. Only the trades you planned for. Don't take any trades out of impulse. That's my rule of thumb, as they say. Like, I don't even take any trades out of impulse. Like, back then I would have rushed into this trade because I was making my coffee, as you know, and while I was making my coffee I saw this short inversion SMT, and you know, I was like, I'm missing a trade. But the thing is, even if I'm missing a trade, who cares? You know, like, it's okay, man. Whatever happened, but just don't come back quick and rush into the trade, because you're gonna forget one thing and it's gonna most likely be a mistake. And either ways, I knew this trade wasn't good, that's why I didn't like pay attention to this macro. I was avoiding this macro just because of this 5-minute order flow here. I wanted to see the 5-minute respect this CP along with premium here, but I've seen 5-minute pushing higher and most likely above this order block here. Means threshold as well, which I didn't like. I only liked the 2-minute here in this delivery. 2-minute looked so bearish after the sweep. They made a change in state, respected CPs, and they're moving lower. That's what you want to see, but it's very choppy and I decided to avoid this and only trade when it's super clear to me. I think by 10:50 we can get a much better trade. I still think I still think shorts are the play here. But I don't mind the long if we sweep this low, balance the NMOG, and then form a long up here to this relative equal highs that are below the RTH. or this relative equal highs up here, that would be very nice as well. So I just don't want to be rushing into a trade. That's one thing I don't want to do. Like, even if I miss it, I don't really care, man. Yeah, exactly. I would wait. I'll miss this position, but I will get a better position in the future and avoid taking an unnecessary loss. Yeah, that just letting go of a session in itself, Shumami, shows so much of your patience and discipline as a trader and growth. So that's what everyone should strive for, like just this level of patience, being able to sit out a whole session or a whole day because your model is not there, because you know it's most likely going against you, it's most likely low probability. That's when you can actually win in these markets. That's one thing I learned trading Asia sessions these days. Yeah, well done, brother. It was very hard for me back then to let go of trades, you know, but now I'm just letting go. Like, I don't really care. Your volume is sand, just letting things build and give you info plus up. Exactly, bro. Like yesterday, we waited all day. Yesterday, where's yesterday? Right there. We waited all day, missing all of these moves here, which isn't technically missing, okay? And then we took this little short that paid out for us. This little short here. That was our model here. So we waited all day just for this short. So just waiting will just set you apart in this industry. I still struggle. All of us do, bro. No one doesn't struggle. Like, in trading, you'll always face, let's not say struggle, but you'll always face difficulties in these markets. You need to adapt, you need to improve your way of thinking, improve your way of trading. You know, it's you versus you at the end, so. But you'll always struggle, like, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Everyone thinks once you're profitable and once you stack them payouts, you'll never have any more problems, but no, you will actually face new problems that you didn't think of. So, you know, so you'll always face problems, but the fun part is that you get stronger and better and how to encounter them and how to actually get better around solving these problems. So I saw 11:15 was so good yesterday. Let's see that as well. We have time. Let's look at 11:15. Yeah, this short here. Yeah, because it was your plan, bro. I remember you said if we push higher and create an SMT with the S, which we did here. That was your plan. You wanted to short this. So I think you avoided. You missed it, right? You just missed it. Oh. That was your plan indeed, and it was a very nice short as well. But I didn't see it coming. You saw it coming, so like that was yours, bro, to take. To be honest, but for me, I didn't see it. Yeah, I didn't see it coming, bro. I wanted to be like sure, you know, I didn't want to take a 50-50 setup, and at that time we were pretty high, so I was still debating that we could be long. I waited for this hourly closure here. Let me go back to yesterday. Where's yesterday? What? Wait a sec. Yeah, so I waited for this hourly closure below the NWOG on 11 AM, and then we took 12 AM shorts. I wanted to see, like, you know, 100% confidence that we were going down there. I didn't want to be like 50-50 trading between this NWOG and NDOG here. That we could still run up higher to this relative equal highs, which we're really close to. I wanted to see strong displacement away from these relative equal highs, out of the equilibrium here. So now we're avoiding the short here. Do I read yesterday after pumping almost 1,000 points? There was no way it's gonna. I mean, bro, yeah, that's also logical, but you can't rely on that, bro. Of course, yeah, 100%, man. They need to pull back. Like it was 1,000 like points up, so yeah, of course. And especially that I was still bearish, to be honest. I didn't even care that we pumped 1,000 points. And look at NQ1 here, the continuous contract. You still have relative equal lows on NQ, so you know. So either ways, you know that you're gonna come back down here with this weekly open high. You know that we're gonna come back visit this from the discount we just premiums that we just tagged. So to be honest, I was like thinking that we were gonna go lower as well. I didn't buy that they were gonna go higher. Maybe I should have bet on it. Futures are all hedging on big institutional level. They are like hedging their positions. Man, like in Forex, hedging is a real thing, but I don't think in futures. Want us to go down to 24. Okay, I agree, bro. I'm looking for 95, and I think this short is playing out here. This inversion here. Give me a sec. Really? I don't know, bro. Because futures like the... If you enter a sell and the buy on the same account, it basically like cancels your trade, or it's like a stop loss or take profit, if you know what I mean. But in Forex, you can just hedge positions, like buy and sell at the same time. But yeah, of course they're like managing different portfolios and they're hedging. You get what I mean, bro. Hedge short here, premium, while long here. Add shorts here. Scale out longs. Can we get 1050 short, bro? Yeah. Yeah, options I know, bro. Options are crazy. Options are crazy. Man, I think options is like straight up gambling. I don't even know if there's a way to trade options. Like, probably, because like, how can you predict the daily close, or if Nasdaq is going lower or higher on that day? You can predict the direction overall, but on a like a candle basis is very hard. One of my friends loves doing option, play small, goes and oh my god, bro, 300k. Should have invested in me, bro. Should have given me this money. Yeah, futures is very nice, man. Especially with these funded accounts that are coming up. You're correct, bro. 100%. I forgot that my TradeAway is not actually signed in. Let me sign in, bro. Guys, anybody knows how to make automatic sign-ins for TradeAway? I hate that every time I have to go up, grab my credentials on the website. To be honest, it's so look, signing up to TradeAway is one of the things I hate about TradeAway. It's cause retail is long to protect against future downside risk. Yeah, that's very nice, man. But institutions need that, not retail traders, as you've said. Yeah, I think that's one way as well, bro. No, I don't like trading out of TradingView. I don't even have it signed in here. Because TradingView is like, I don't know, I've been trading demo on TradingView for a long time. So I know I could mess up and because I don't know, like I've been trading demo here for a long time, so I wouldn't really feel that it's real money that I'm trading. I don't know, but it's something psychological with TradingView. I can't really trade here. I can only trade on TradeAway or MetaTrader, but TradingView, no, I'm not doing that. It's like FX replay, you know? Yeah, also there's not just a little, bro. With my internet connection, I believe it's much worse. There's a lot of latency for me, a lot of delay on TradingView. I really hate trading it. Nice that you, man, that you're comfortable somewhere is very nice. Like, I tried to be like a TradingView trader as well, but it didn't work out for me. But I wish it did because TradingView is actually much cleaner, and it's very nice that it shows executions. I'm not sure, bro. I rarely use anything on TradeAway. All I do on TradeAway is just I use my calculator. I manually calculate. I have a calculator here. I manually calculate my lots and I just put it in and sell and buy. That's it. Yeah, I'm not so advanced, to be honest. I don't even know how can we calculate lots here, like on TradingView. I like that it shows how much you're gonna lose here, bro. Oh, this is a mini contract. Wait, let's try this on the micro. Someone showed me this tool. Yeah, bro, I've been with the calculator for so long. This tool is very nice that it calculates how much you're gonna lose, so I don't know. Whoa, that's actually clean. Can I make it market? But now since I made it market, what I'm doing? Okay, I made it a market order now. How can I place a market order, for example? I don't understand. Why is it red here? Yeah, how do you do the market order? Right click on the screen. Hold on, okay. I'm in an account here. I'm in an account up here. Right click on setting, trading. This one, buy and sell button. Oh, project order. Okay. Okay, nice. I see. Whoa, that's clean, bro. Yeah, I see now. We can actually try that today. Should log in on my trader right here. I don't know. You just click this button, right? The thing is, I don't know what is this. If I have one-click trading. But why is it trade like that? Stop loss order must be. Oh, because I'm buying. Okay, my bad. Okay. I'll try on demo here. Let's just make sure we're on demo here. Yeah, I will do it all day on demo today, and we'll start tomorrow maybe. This is SLSTP there. What is this? Reverse position? No, bro. Reverse position. Yeah, sinking paper here. Okay. Now you move your stop loss to break even. Yeah, it's clean, bro. What? There was only one contract? It's nice. Relative equal highs up here. Let's turn this off now. Nice, it's very nice, bro. I will do it in demo. Together we'll do it in demo. We got relative equal highs up here, guys, and relative equal lows here. Once we sweep this relative equal highs with a macro opening high in 2 minutes, I want to see bearish order flow manifest itself in price, fill this NWOG and reach this NWOG CE. Okay, guys, opening range low. Looking for shorts this macro. I also have that one clearly so that you can let it grow. I don't understand what you mean, bro, is one-click trading, but I'll let you focus, and after the macro we can try it together once more. But thank you for teaching me this, bro. It's my first time doing it. It's actually very clean. Okay, we got a minute left, guys, on the macro. Relative equal highs up here. Okay, guys. Push higher, sweep that. We have SMT already on the high. One more SMT here. And we will cook some shorts lower. I mean, there's an SMT already. There is an SMT already. Close. Whoa. This might be a spooling macro, guys, but yeah, this might be a spooling macro here. Not gonna lie. But I'll wait, okay? This might be a pulling macro to lower to the downside, guys. I think it is. I think it is. I think in 2 minutes here we'll get this confirmation, but it's a pulling macro as a raise, I believe. I'm not engaging this pulling macro. I want to see manipulation still, guys. I might be wrong here, but I have to wait for manipulation here. Yeah, this is very nice. If you wait for this confirmation, that's very nice. Okay. Still saying that this could be a very nice pulling macro. Don't want to be. There we go. That's why we wait for manipulation. There we go. Manipulation. Boom. That's why we wait, guys, okay? That's why we waited here. It's pulling macros get smashed. Yep. RTH gap CE tagged and relative equal highs are now swept. Opening range high. Now, ideally you want to see a rejection from this 930 previous day or this RTH gap CE, but now since you got so close to this 930 previous day first presentation, I want to see continuation lower here. So we want to see one more pump higher, sweep 930, tag 930. Since we got already so close here, create another SMT, and then, which we already did, I believe. Yeah, we already did. Let's monitor dealing range here. Dealing range. Okay. We just got to premium the dealing range. This high was so short of premium. I don't know how I didn't notice this as well. Good thing that we waited. I didn't know that. But man, this pump was crazy. That's why patience always wins, guys. I told you, like, what if we took this inversion here? Instant loss. You know? Inside this 930, inside the roadblock, you know? Taking a pulling macro inside us, pulling inside a roadblock, which leaving relative equal highs above you and relative equal highs below RTH gap CE that we have been talking about for 10 minutes now. So, you know, yeah, we just wait. Patience wins here. Now you want to see this 5-minute gap being respected. You don't want to see any closures above this 5-minute high probability inversion. You want to see the bearish order flow manifest itself in price here on 15-minute and 5-minute, okay? If they remain bearish as they are doing on the 3-minute here, I still love these short entries to these lows. Shumami, you didn't take longs, right? Tell me you didn't, please. I mean shorts. Nice. Yeah, I know ES left relative equal highs because we're coming back once more. This high is also engineered here, bro. We're still coming back once more, bro. It's unfinished business here. 11 will open high, they will still market here. 11 will open high, push higher. We'll get a short. Inshallah, that's what I want. That's what I want to see in person. Yes, relative equal highs. He has very clean relative equal highs. Nice, man. Yeah, just waiting sets you ahead of this industry, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Everyone is just in a rush, man. Everyone is just in a rush to take trades. Everyone is just in a rush to do something with their life. They don't want to wait, bro. Sometimes, like, sometimes, almost every single time, waiting is the best move you can do. These markets have really changed me, man. They have made me a really different person. It's to the good, to be honest. I've been so self-independent. I've been so patient over the last 6 years. Especially this year, man, I've grown a lot. Everything about me changed. I'm still working every day like I used to do. But this year, I don't know, there's something different about it. I'm a way different person. I know what I'm looking for, I know what I'm doing. Not only the charts, everywhere in my life. I feel like when I'm speaking, I can feel like what I'm saying. Back then and when I was young, like back then in the last 6 years, I was a little bit impulsive with my thoughts, my actions. Many times I said things that I want to say. It was just impulsive. But trading has actually changed this about me, man. Trading has made me a really different person. I was really young. Trading has improved me a lot, man. Alhamdulillah. So glad, bro. Of course, man, I'm 23 years old. Oh, I'm super old now. 23. I started trading when I was 19 or 18. I started with $20 in my pocket. That's what I started with. I started, I think, 18 or 19. I started options trading in the beginning. Nice, bro. You're still young, man. You still have some time. That's very nice. Not really, bro. I mean, it doesn't matter when did you get into trading. It matters how fast did you learn the good things in trading or the right things in trading. Okay, there you go. The market is melting without us. Perfect. Yes. Well, this short is not valid. I'll be back to our conversation, but this short is not valid. I'm just typing to my browser. Relative equal highs, ES, and NQ short of 930. Okay. But yeah, bro. Like getting into trading early isn't really a good thing, to be honest. What matters is learning early. I wasted all of my years trading like ranges, breakouts, smart money concepts like supply and demand. I've wasted years on that, bro. I tried to collect data on them. I was doing good. I was journaling. I was trying everything I could. Like I was journaling every day. I was trying my best for 6 years, but I don't know, man. I was trading the wrong things, to be honest. Until I found this, and this is what changed the game for me, to be honest. So yeah, like starting off early doesn't really matters much. What matters is getting to the good information early. I started off during the AMC and GameStop craze. Yeah. Oh my god, that was crazy. Straight gambling, 1920 bodies. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. I heard about it, but we couldn't engage here in Egypt because we don't have. We're not able to. We're not able to trade stocks international unless we have like big capital, and we're not able to invest in like known brokers because we don't have USD here. USD is very hard to get in this country. That like USD is illegal to have. So I didn't. When I was young, I wasn't able to get connections. You know, to get me into like, you know, into trading, like with money, because you had to have USD in order to be able to trade. You needed dollars, USD. All of the brokers wanted dollars, and I only had AGP when I was young, so it was really a hard time just getting this USD to trade. Not just trading, like just getting the money was hard, bro. No, bro. I'm in Egypt, man. I'm not in the States, but I will be one day, sure. One day for sure, bro. Inshallah. I got really lucky. One of my older bros from fraternity was day trading full time with ICT. Whoa, bro. Whoa, that's amazing. Amazing, man. You're very lucky, bro. Indeed. To be honest, I wasted a lot of my years, man. Like, I still have some videos on my channel. I was trading ranges, like, in 2022. And I got, like, journals, bro. I can show you, like, I got 20 or 30 journal full of years of trading. Years of data, years of backtest, but it was all useless. Until I found the ICT, to be honest. Oh, gosh. Yeah, and one day, bro, I'll be in the States. I love the States, I'm not gonna lie. People there are great. Like there's a good and a bad, but the people there, like they're great. There's a lot of people that want to actually live life, you know, and that's what matters. And there's some freedom in that country as well. Not 100%, but there's a lot of freedom there. A lot of accessibility for living. It's easier. You know, it's very nice. Wow, that's amazing, bro. Where are you from originally, if you don't mind me asking, bro? Think you're Asian? Then maybe? Because I saw like a dragon or something on here. I don't remember. I don't know why. You're Asian? On your Discord. America gets so much shit, but this country changed my family's life. 100%, bro. I wish I could take my brother and mother there, and we can start a life in in the States. Yeah, one day, bro. Because States are so different, man. Never. Nice, bro. I moved from Ireland to States in 1995. Amazing trophy. I mean, the States, guys, is the way to go, definitely. So happy that you are there, guys. You're enjoying this life. I know it's hard out there as well. I have friends that moved there. It's very hard. The rent and the taxes and life overall. But there's some quality in the life there. Much better than third world countries and other places. There's like room to grow. If you're really serious about what you want to do, and if you're serious about your work, you can actually grow there. You can grow quick, you can do something, you know. Also, what I love about like Europe and States and all of that, like all of these countries, is that the accessibility to the purchasing power with their currency is so strong. I don't know, like people don't really get this until they live, until like, because they never did, but unless they lived like in a third world country, being able to just have USD and buy mentorships or be able, you know, to buy something online, it's crazy. I hope they don't cut the powers, because I've been seeing like a lot of stories like from Trump about the attacks that happened in Texas, that they're gonna start cutting of our power and stuff like that. Man, I'm so happy for you, Shaman. Congratulations, bro. Like, that's amazing, man. I pray like you achieve everything you want, man, in your life. You're really hardworking as well. You deserve it, brother. You too, Sharky, man. You've been pushing so hard in trading. I see you every day, guys. That, like, just pushing and trading and this consistency, it tells so much about you as a person. How hard you're sacrificing your time and your energy to get a better life for you and your family. So I know how hard you're working, guys. So you really deserve it. Thank you, guys. No, man, you did great, bro. You're there. You're here, man. NQ, come on. Look, what I love about NQ here is that they engineered this low once more. But I hate this delivery, like this sticky delivery, just like yesterday. I think you're right, Shumami, about aim session being sticky. Like being more, I don't know what to call it other than sticky. It's very sticky. Like, look at these candles, bro. And like, it's awful. Yeah, as you've said, it's terrible, man. Very bad price action. Maybe by lunch we can get a cleaner trade. It will be much better, to be honest, by lunch. Like yesterday, the whole day was just a mess. Look at these candles, just so sticky. Then 11:50 comes, 11:30 puts price, 11:50, 12:50. You know, so there's a chance during lunch. I will stay here till lunch. You can probably get a trade here. Wait, I need to send money to my colleague. One second, guys. Yeah, I'm back, guys. I'm really sorry. Had a long work call. This macro, as I've said, is it's annoying other ways. We're waiting 11:50. 5 minutes. That's what I like about this setup here that is forming is this 5 minute here. Still rejecting from this Sebi. 15 minutes as well. One second. Annoying price action today. A lot of waiting once more. Don't even care about this short here. 5 minutes has flipped this SIBI that I wanted to see holding in price. Order flow is turning bullish here. Short of this endog. I'm labeling this as engineering price personally. I don't even care. Yes, SMT. Eyes. Yeah. Relative equal lows here. Let's see. Yeah, it's very nice SMT, I believe. Yeah, with this inversion as well and reclaim with this 930. That's very nice. I just don't like how this high is short of this endog here. I would rather wait, but you got a really nice short here. You can argue for shorts, you can argue for longs continuation higher with the 5 minute inversion. Being short of endog as well. But overall, open high ones at 11 AM. Got a very prominent SMT as you have said, Shumami. Yeah. And yeah, and a very strong inversion with a reclaim of the first presentation. This could be a short, could play out towards this relative equal lows, but I would rather wait for the macro here. I'm gonna wait basically. We're waiting, guys. It is what it is. You can argue for shorts, bro. I believe they could work. With this open high, especially this 11 AM open high, they'll be trading this hourly PS3. I don't know, bro. I mean, go for it, bro. I see what you mean, but just watch out, because I wouldn't be engaging here, to be honest. But this hourly out of inversion as well, this should close lower. Yeah, same, yeah. I still believe this is a very strong short, I agree, but it's not a part of my model here, so I'll just wait. But in terms of reading price, I think it's a good short. Shark is short already. Let's get it, man. Let's take it on demo, man. Why have I been waiting? I wanted to try this demo thing. Let me try this market. See, how do we do it? Market. Is that it? So, okay. Now if let's put 500 risk there. So let's try it. Let's try this demo execution here. Towards relative equal lows. Just putting this big here. Demo trade. Nice. I'm just testing the execution thing here. I want to get used to it. What's this button reverses the whole position, I believe, right? So it makes you buy 8 contracts here, I believe. I mean, it's super clean on TradingView. The execution is super fast. You just go here, trade, put your stop loss, then you adjust it, 400, 500, there you go, and then click sell. If you wanna set a TP, set a TP. Bro, that's really clean. Not gonna lie. Yeah, how do I take the reverse button off? Let me see that. Reverse position, yeah, there we go. Nice, yeah. So once more, start creating order. Sell. Man, I think I'm used to this now. Should we try it on the real account? Wait. Now we have 2 stop losses. What's this, guys? I don't understand. Guys, I don't understand. Oh, I think this is splitting contracts. This 1 and 1. What? 1. Yeah. Okay, only for paper, okay. Okay, it's very nice then, so you just drag it and click sell. TP. I mean, bro, that's clean. Yeah, that's very nice macro trader. I wanna try that. Maybe we can execute on these charts today. Let me jump on here. But the thing is, you know my problem with this, guys, is that I always analyze the charts on NQ. I don't analyze on MNQ. Like, I don't analyze on micros, or yeah, micros. I analyze my charts on minis, because I've seen minis actually, like, I base my analysis based on minis. I think minis is more reliable in terms of analysis, but micros sometimes can fake you out. So I don't know. It's kind of tricky now. I'll have to be switching charts. So what I do is just, I'm comfortable with my setup having trader weight on this screen here on the on this side, and I just calculate my lots manually, you know. That's what I do. So I have MNQ to the side. I do minis analysis and trade on micro. Yeah, but I wanted to record while executing. That would have been nice, you know, like showing you my execution. But it will be the same thing, executing on TraderVate or TradingView. If I'm not showing you, then there's no difference in it, you know. Yeah, I have multiple screens. I have ES. I get your point, but the problem is it will also be on the second screen here. So there's no point, because I'll not be showing you my execution either ways. You mean this one? Oh, okay, maybe. So go on. Yeah. I think I get what you mean. I have it. So. Why is it just where is it order? Plus. Order. Yeah, but if I press sell here to be a market execution. Wait, it's a different. Okay. Show project. Wait, let's do settings. Template. Gray. No. Gray. No. PP. This is Patrick and player, right? Nope. Temp stream. Yeah, there we go. Okay. There we go. Average position. Labels maybe? No, that's too much noise. Stop break even. Okay, nice one, Sharky. Now we will be waiting, guys. Okay, we'll be waiting. Let's wait. Okay, there you go. Okay, we can do that together here. Postils. Suck. And when you move here, your order is gonna. I have to get used to that. Looks like we go higher today. Yeah, it might be short. Yeah, like, was this 5-minute inversion? It's a red flag for me because this is a premium CB, and what you want to see from premium PDRA is that they get respected, but now it's a high probability BC instead. So high probability inversion. As well, look at the 15-minute, bro. Same thing. High probability inversion was created here. Big red flags for shorts, guys. You got relative equal highs above once more. Could be going higher, as Sharka said. Just gotta wait here. I would give it. I will give it one more chance for shorts if we tap this end dog and make a clean macro Po3. But yeah, if we get above this end dog, I think it's game over. Game over here. London high relative equal highs as well could be potentially going up here. Let's wait and see, because these lows are still so clean to me, and this low as well above this NWAG balance level that we wanted. We wanted to balance this NWAG here. It's still unbalanced. So let's see. Maybe a rejection from this NDOG could send us lower. I mean, as long as it's hourly, doesn't reclaim this BC as well. If they do, that will be annoying as well. Got in a little bit too late with the friend dog close. All good, bro. Let's see how it plays out. Oh, are you ready stopped or what? If you're on it, it's okay. Just hold, maybe follow your system, you know, it could still play out. I'm not saying that 100% bullish because this hourly has opened high, rejected from the CB so far. I'm just outlaying my potential scenarios for the next macro, trying to expect the worst scenario and the best scenario. All good, bro, all good. Cutting your losses always good than holding on it. We go 8 minutes left on this macro. Guys, we've got 5 minutes left on the macro here. Let's drink some water. Look in these time frames here. You want to see macro open higher? Take out this high, tap the end dog. Form another SMT. Then most likely create this short. We got engineered sell side here. Why is it engineered? It's right above this midnight fair value gap, which is right here. First gap created on the day. Okay, it's a BBR as well here. Look how we have been rejecting from this gap. And then, and then we left this low right above it. So what I want to see is high ran here, push higher, tap the end dog, give us this short at 75% of the previous day RTH gap, and then fall over. We got a minute and a half left here. Yeah. What do you think of the reels I'm posting, guys? What do you think of them? I'm trying to improve them as much as I can. Tell me if there's anything wrong I'm doing. Nice. Trying to make some clips to get people following our channel here and our community, guys. We got some views that are popping. I think we got like 7 new followers. How many? 5 new followers. Very nice. I shared 4 reels so far, or 5. Yeah, that's very nice for that. 5, I will take that. We'll keep pushing. No, I didn't try TikTok, to be honest. I used to have a TikTok, but I hate this application. I deleted it with my phone, to be honest. Like, when it comes to TikTok, man, I hate the people that are on TikTok. Like, and this application itself, I feel like it takes a lot of your time. It kills your energy, it kills your focus. It drains you into the phone. I don't know why, but I don't have a TikTok. I didn't have a TikTok for like a year and a half now. I feel so much better without it. I also have like very strict screen time on my phone, just to prevent myself from overstaying on my phone. But I don't know, maybe I could try TikTok once more. I don't know, man. You could be right. Should tap into TikTok, but I just hate this application. That's my problem with it. I just hate it. Like, I really hate it. I'm not a fan of TikTok at all. But I know like TGR got big off TikTok. Patrick and Play got big on TikTok. Every like famous trader got big on TikTok, so even ICT got a lot of his popularity from TikTok. I know like not all of it, but ICT popped like on 2022 because of TikTok. Everyone was posting about the 2022 mentorship on there. I was there as well. Partake in it, but helps you get more traction. It is what it is. Yeah, man, I'll actually get back to it. You're correct, guys. I'll get back to it. I just hate that it's sharing all of my videos to all of my contacts as well. Like, you know, it's basically like, I don't want to tell, like, I don't want everybody in my life to know that I'm doing that and that. And suddenly I had like 10 people messaging me about trading from nowhere, and I send them a lot of stuff and they never reply back. I've been on that for years, and I did and it didn't work. That's why I deleted TikTok, because I was posting there and it was sending all of my reels to every single one of my contacts. Like, I turned off contacts. I don't know how, but I started getting recommended friends, something like that, and I started sending all of my reels to them. But I don't really care. Like, at this point, I don't really care. I trade, you know, but I post my stuff. I don't really care. But I don't know. You know, people here like connect trading to a lot of weird stuff. Because trading is mainly scamming in my country, you know? It's mainly based on scams, selling courses, just like everywhere, but here it's very big on scams. Like, there's not even one real trader in Egypt, I believe. So, that's why I don't like talking to people about it, because they think I'm a scam as well. I'm not this guy, you know? I don't even have a course. I don't know why everybody trading must have a course that is selling. Okay, ES made the SMT we wanted, but sadly we didn't take this high. This is short to this endog. Yeah, I wanna take it lower, man. Nice trade, Shorky. Amazing 850 macro, man. I would have traded this. I would have taken the same trade if I was at home. If I was at work. Very nice trade, Shorky. 850, clean. I mean, this could play out here as well, but I'm waiting here, guys. I'm waiting for these highs to get taken. Yeah, it's going too slow. Yeah, 850, bro. Like, just... Okay, nice. Look at the day that we have news at 8:30. Every day we have news at 8:30. Or prior. Okay, that wasn't 8:30 news. Never mind. But every day that we have an 8:30 news day, but it was 850 macro would be so clean that you just have to take it, you know? But today's 850 was actually so clean that I saw we had an 8:30 news, but we don't. It was 9:45. You're short, yes. Nice. This could play out, bro. It is playing out. I'm just gonna wait here. There you go. Engineered sell side swept. No trades for me so far, guys. Got 3 minutes on this hourly closure. It's gonna close here below this reclaimed. It's not gonna be reclaimed, so it's gonna hold as an inversion, which is a very nice case for continuation shorts down here. These lows must be taken, guys. Let's wait. We are waiting. Nice, very nice closure here, very weak. Very weak. which is coming to 95, guys. To be honest, guys, I'm bearish, but I'm not seeing any setup here. I wanted these highs to get taken, or a continuation setup here in the lower ends. Even if you wanna get a continuation setup here, didn't get to premium, so I don't know, guys. Nice one, Shrein. Nice one. To be honest, I'm bearish. I'm so bearish on this market. I want to see 95 get booked today in opening range low, but it's just no entry for me, guys. I don't see my model here. I feel like even with this dealing range, I'm not confident in it with this high. But even if it gives a setup here, let's just wait and see. Oh my god, I'm so tired from work. Today is like after Eid, so it's very hard. I'm used to sleep late at night. Like I got used to sleep late at night. We were off for like 3 days. I work in a food factory. Is she gonna pop up her now? It's just stalling here. No setup for me here, guys. Still waiting. don't think it would give us setup, guys. I think I got too greedy on the last short, entered a bit too late. Won at 11.28. Yeah, this one. This short I just played the midnight open. If it goes, it goes. Well done, man. It's great that you caught this scalp, making back the loss at least. Did you make it back the loss? Just try to hold yourself like accountable to these trades. Try to be patient until it shows you a very clear setup that you feel very comfortable holding with the regular size and the regular stop loss. When you're not afraid, this when you know it's your trade to take, not a trade that you're forcing or anything. Energy lockdowns are coming. I'm waiting for premium here, no short. Why I'm looking for short? Because overall daily chart we broke down and the engineered lows. And we left this portion of this NWAG open here. For me this is unfilled still. It's unbalanced, let's say it, let's keep it that way. We also got this hourly closure below SIBI, we failed to close above it. We got double SMT now on the highs. This session SMT, lower time frame SMT. Now you also got this medication block here in this 5 minute and this SIBI. So once you get into premium, you want to see this SIBI get respected and go towards this clear drone liquidity down here. Most likely opening range low and 95. Just very hard day to wait. We've been waiting for what, 3 hours? Just 3 hours of waiting, guys? I don't know. I feel great that I'm being disciplined, but sometimes I just want to take a trade, man. It's a long wait. because I'm waiting till 12:10 here. If it doesn't give me a setup, I'll take this time off. I got an hour and I got this time off here. An hour and 25 minutes. I'll take this time off, go eat, and then I'll prepare the PM session for RTO Discord. I'm waiting here. Yes, sir. Yeah, I should paper trade, bro. Didn't want to see price till at midnight and above the upper half of the dealing range. Which dealing range? You mean this dealing range here? Oh, I see what I mean. Price stalled here a lot here. Right there, especially. Should have, once it had these SMTs, should have melted right through. Right there, should have melted. Right there. Was this SMT? Right there, no. During the macro move. The price is just so sticky. We might get a very clean PM session, so I'll be streaming RTO PM session. Yeah, well done, bro. Okay, we go. 5 minutes left here and I'll be done with this macro. If they don't show something, we got 7 minutes, I'm sorry. If they literally don't do anything, I'm done. I'm literally done. Might even take this macro off and show up at 1450 trades at the end of the day. This will give me time to rest as well, to improve my performance in the PM. So okay, if they continue pushing higher here and we get a trade, that's cool. If we don't, I'm cool as well. You got time. Tired of this price action, man. When is this price action going to change, guys? Like, this is so boring. It is so hard to trade here. Let's get on some do some degen stuff with this. No, never mind. Yeah, PM session is looking very nice. I agree. But let's see. I'm seeing volume coming here. The left side of my screen. Yeah, volume is coming in. Let's see if they want to take out premium here and give us short to end the day. Got relative equal lows. Come on, man, give us a setup. Full Portis consolidation, yeah. Full Portis on demo, bro. We should do that. And record it and post it as it was a live trade. Cause some problems on Twitter and TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. Gain viewers, sell a course, make some money. Should do that. That's a nice plan. Okay. Yeah. Could go higher, you're correct as well. Go back to mean reversion. Yeah. But the thing is, you know, like, it's short of equilibrium here, guys. So this high, even, like, this high is engineered sell side, guys. In my eyes here. So I'm looking for this short still. Because what? This high is short of this big equilibrium. While, yes, and we have double SMT in the highs. Got relative equal lows here. Relative equal lows and yeah. Already close below the SIBI. I'm just doing a big quick rewind. 15-minute reclaim the SIBI here, confirming bearish order flow. 15-minute opened high. We are into the 5-minute SIBI we mentioned. And the mitigation block as well. YM very strong. That's not a very good indication that it's very strong. Oh, of the end dog as well. Yeah, that's not very good. I agree with you. But focus on NQ here. Reclaimed high probability inversion. Very strong bear signatures and price, guys. I still believe we could take a sell here. High probability inversion. Oh, strong inversion. RTH gap CE tagged here. I really like this setup here, guys. 42 points. Let's calculate that. Still do this stuff manually. 43. Could be correct, bro. You could be correct, brother, but I'm just following my system here. I mean, if it stalls, if it just keeps stalling here, like 2 or 3 more candles, I'm done. Because it's already out, it's almost out of my time limits. ES closing strong. CES is rejecting this end dog here, bro. This would be a nice entry. Let's turn this light on, record this session. Do something. Let's turn this off. Turns the music off. Alright, focus here. Close. 5-minute rejecting SIBI here, as well as a 2-minute rejecting premium SIBI and SIBI here, and this mitigation block we mentioned. We'd like to see that pre-entry. It's a potential 3-minute inversion as well. Engineered highs on ES. Where's that? I don't see that, bro, to be honest. Where is this? Where's engineered highs, bro? I don't know. I don't see them as engineered, but it's a very tough read, I agree. Yeah. I'm just going off my plan, you know, like the plan I've made since the morning here was this 4-hour inversion, reclaimed SIBI, whatever, and this open portion of this NWOG here. And then we left this relative equal lows, once more relative equal lows, 5 minutes here should be rejecting this CB as long as a 2-minute inversion here. This will give me confidence in shorting following the order flow. I want to see this 2-minute inverse busy as well. That would be nice. On the M5, 6553. 50, 6553, 50. Yeah, these highs. Is that what I mean? Look how many times we rejected the highs, so this tells me this is retaining shorts. Oh, my bad, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I see. You're correct. No, not gonna argue with you. You're correct. I'm saying it's very tough read, man. 100%. 100%, bro. It's a very sticky price action as well. Not really a big fan of it, but I like this order block here. Yeah, I'm not gonna get this inversion. Order block here. But it's pushing higher. Yeah, it's worst time of day to enter. I agree. It's a very risky setup here. Gap C here. Look at this. Yeah. I mean, the thing is, this bearish order flow is still holding strong, man. Let's go 5 minutes here. 3 minutes. Yeah. It's a very tough read here. I go. It's an inversion or a block. Just gonna wait here. Not gonna take a trade. I mean, everything is bearish, but the time of day is off. And it's outside of my model. I'll be forcing a trade, so. Could play out here, but I'm done, guys. I'm not taking this short. With this order block, that's your 1-to-1, by the way. We're just looking for this move here, but I'm done. Okay, we're saying that we'll just end it here in this stream. You know, we did really good. Let's set an alarm for the PM stream. I'll never be repeating my mistakes. I will not be taking trades outside of macros like that. This trade is 6 minutes ahead of the macro, or 7 minutes ahead, and that's way too far for me to enter, so I'm not gonna do that. I used to do that back then, and I got stabbed many times by this mistake, so I'm not gonna repeat the same mistake. I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna be better, you know. I'm gonna learn, and I'm not gonna repeat my old mistakes. So hopefully PM should be better. I set my alarms there. I'll be there at the PM session in the RTO Discord. I'll wait you guys there. Thanks so much for being here. Stay safe, and please don't risk anything crazy today, because you can see the charts are so sticky. Even though they created this order block, you can see how they're going back and forth. And even with this inversion, clean one, SMT, back again, inversion, back again. You know, every time they give you an opportunity, they pull it back, longs back again, longs back. So it's very sticky price action. That's the best word I can find for it. But yeah, thank you so much, guys, for being here, and I will see you in the PM stream. I have executed no trades. I can show you my account here. How do we do that? Yeah, there, no trades. Okay, we're good. So let's go. Let's make sure everything's exited. Thank you, brother. Stay safe, guys.